Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my ORB review. Now I'm here inside the members area of ORB. During this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough and show you exactly what this does. In a nutshell, ORB is going to show you how to get free traffic, targeted traffic from Instagram. Now, what you do with that traffic is completely up to you, but what they're recommending that you do is sending that traffic to affiliate offers so you can monetize that traffic pretty much straight away. So this is a full training course that comes with a Chrome extension, which is going to get you that traffic from Instagram. If it sounds like something that you would be interested in, then stick with me during this video because I'm going to go into more details and show you exactly what is inside of here. Excuse the redness on my face. I've been out in the sun all day and I kind of look like a bit of a boiled lobster at the moment, but just try to ignore that. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, then stick with me because I'm going to go into more details. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up via my link, which as always is down below in the description if you watch on YouTube. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to this page right here, which is my bonus page for ORB. And ORB is going to be going live today, which is the 8th of September at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. Okay, so please bear that in mind because I get this question asked every time. Oh, I can't purchase yet. It's because it hasn't gone live yet. It goes live at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, New York time today. Okay, so bear that in mind. And that's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page to come through to the sales page that will look like this. Interesting, we'll talk about that later, where you can go ahead and pick this up down here. Now you'll need to pick it up before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it does, all of my bonuses will expire, and that is obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on because I've spent a long time putting this bonus package together so you can really get the best out of ORB as possible. So what are my bonuses? Well, bonus number 1, I'm going to give you access to Latitude OTO1. This is the first upsell from Latitude. This is the Pro version. Latitude is a product that I launched last week, so it is still very, very current. And this Pro version we are selling for $67. So it's yours completely free of charge when you pick up ORB through any of the links on my bonus page, even if you just pick up ORB at the very basic price of $12.95. Now there's also a discount that I'll show you in a second which will take this down to $9.95. So for less than $10 you can get access to a $67 product. Now what is this $67 all about? The $67 product all about? Well, Latitude Pro is going to show you how to take other people's NFTs. These are NFTs, they're part of the crypto stuff, and they're little pieces of artwork, and you can take other people's artwork, buy it at a low price, and then sell it for a higher price. It's probably the easiest way to make money online that exists right now in September 2021. So this Pro version of Latitude is going to show you how to do that. Again, this is yours completely free, even though it's worth $67 when you pick up ORB through any of the buttons on my bonus page here. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you access to Mave Done For You campaigns. Now Mave is a product that I launched back in July, and this is a collection of 25 Done For You campaigns that most of which I've made myself, and you'll be able to use these straight off the bat. Now why am I giving you Done For You campaigns? Well, the traffic that you get from ORB through Instagram, you need to send it somewhere so that you can make money. So rather than making all of the pages yourself and learning how to do that yourself, I've done all the work for you here. And I haven't only done it once, I've done it 25 times. So you've got 25 different custom campaigns that you can just put your affiliate link in and send the traffic from ORB to one of these campaigns, or all 25 of them. It's completely up to you. You have the option there. Again, this is yours completely free when you pick up ORB through any of the yellow buttons on my bonus page. All right, bonus number 3, I'm going to give you access to JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. This again is an Instagram plugin, or it's a Chrome plugin that works with Instagram in a very similar way to ORB. So you've got another version that you can use, okay? And this is the Pro version, which gives you access to a ton of features, and this is selling for $47. Again, yours completely free when you pick up ORB through any of the yellow buttons on my bonus page. Bonus number 4, I have a full tutorial on using a third-party Instagram software to make money completely for free with Instagram. Okay, and this software does all of the work for you. And more importantly, this tutorial is about 45 minutes long, and it's going to show you everything that you need to do to set this up and make money. So some more free traffic from Instagram as well inside of this bonus. And then finally, bonus number 5, I'm giving you access to all the bonuses the vendor has given to me to give to you. Crazy good bonus package, as I'm sure you'll agree. It's all yours for less than $10. Okay? Amazing. So how do you collect all of these bonuses and get access to them completely free of charge? Well, first of all, if you are watching on YouTube, click on that button down below, or the link down below in the description to come through to my bonus page. It's going to look like this, which you may already be on if you come through from my email. Simply scroll down, click on any of these yellow buttons as of 9 AM Eastern Standard Time today, which is the 8th of September. When this goes live, you'll be able to click on these buttons, come through to the sales page that will look like this, so you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, as soon as you picked it up, simply go into your Warrior Plus account. In the top right hand side, you'll see your username. Click on Purchase History, click on ORB, and that will bring you through to your receipt page that's going to look something like this, where you'll find a blue button on that page that says Access Affiliate Bonus. When you click on that blue button, you'll get instant free access to every single one of these bonuses that I just mentioned to you, instantly delivered to you, even if you just pick up that very first front-end offer of $12.95. And I'll show you how to get this even cheaper at $9.95 in just a second. But even if you just pick up that front-end offer, you'll still get access to all the bonuses, right? So let's go over to the sales page and let me show you what you need to do to pick up this at the discounted price. So you'll click on my bonus page buttons, you'll come through to the sales page. If you try to exit, you'll see this pop-up that comes up, which will give you a $3 discount. So it'll take the price down from $12.45 down to $9.95. Okay, which is going to save you some money. I know it's not a massive amount of money, but still, it's $3, and you can get it even cheaper and get all of my bonuses as well. So with that out of the way, and you know how to do that, this is the sales page right here. It says, it's never been so simple to get free buyer traffic revealed. See how we're driving unlimited free Instagram traffic to any offer in 60 seconds using a one-click secret backdoor app that gets us paid over and over and over again. So check out the sales video. Check out the sales page in your own time. You've got some traffic stats on there. Okay, some more traffic stats, some income proof, you got some testimonials, and loads more information about what ORB does. So go and check that out in your own time. I'm just going to jump into the members area of ORB now and show you exactly what you're going to get for your $9.95, right? So the members area looks like this. You've got the welcome to ORB video. This is made by Bobby D. And this whole program has been put together by a bunch of my members from Ministry of Freedom. So I'm very proud of what they've done. And it's genuinely helpful as well for those of you that want to pick this up. So, intro by Bobby D. And then we've got an intro by Jake, who's one of my other members of Ministry of Freedom. They've joined together to put this together. And then we've got the overview of how this is going to work. You've got the ORB installation, which will give you access to the software. So when you click on that button, it will open up this page. So what you need to do here is just click on this download link, and it's going to download this to your computer. And then the instructions inside of this video is going to show you exactly how to install it into your Chrome browser. So it's going to look like this. Now, it's only going to work when you have Instagram open. So I'll show you in a second. But basically, it's going to follow people. It's going to message people. It's going to do hyper-targeting as well. And there's also a 100% commission bump, which is actually one of the upsells, but we'll talk about that later. There are case studies inside of here as well of not only building up your Instagram followers, but making almost $2,000 as well, right? And then you've got some 10x bonus training as well, which is going to show you how to make opt-in pages with WordPress, connecting it with an autoresponder or with ClickFunnels, and then making an email follow-up sequence to any offers that you use with ORB. Now, this is all explained inside of here, so I'm not going to explain it one by one. You'll need to pick up ORB to get access to that training. There's also some bonus softwares inside of here as well that you can get access to, and the bonuses from the vendor as well. Okay, and then you can access the upgrades down here as well. But basically, how ORB works, once you've downloaded the software, you would open up Instagram, okay? You would go and find a public figure. So let's say Grant Cardone. Here he is. Now, Grant Cardone here has 3.4 million followers. And Grant Cardone's followers, they are all interested in making money, in becoming super, super rich, whether that being through online business or offline business. Either way, they are interested. So you know that all of their followers here are going to be interested in kind of make money online offers too. So you open up the followers of Grant Cardone right here. You open up the ORB app, you set it to follow, and you click the start button. And as you can see here, it's automatically going to start following all of Grant Cardone's followers one by one, and it doesn't do it too quickly, so it doesn't look like a robot. It does it quite naturally. So I'm just going to stop this now because I've shown you what this does, but it doesn't only follow people, it will also message those people as well. So you can type in a generic message that you want to say to all of these people, like, hey, my name's Jono, I just started following you, I hope that you can follow back. I'm looking to work with like-minded people, or whatever you want to put in here, and click the start button, and it will send a message to all of those people. Now, you are probably thinking, well, that's great, but how does this end up making me money? From what I see, it's only just following other people. But what you need to understand is all of Grant Cardone's followers, they are all interested in making money, right? So you following them is going to send a notification to their cell phone to say, Jono Armstrong Money has just started following you. Out of curiosity, they're going to think, who is this random guy? But he's interested in money. I'm interested in money because I'm following Grant Cardone. I'm going to go and check him out. And then the instructions inside of the training here are going to show you how to set up your profile the right way. And this is really important because you can put a link inside of the bio of your Instagram account. Now that link can go wherever you want it to go. And around, well, I've tested this kind of stuff before, and around 10% of people will actually click on that link. So if you send them to a compelling affiliate offer, there's a high chance that they're going to then go ahead and buy that affiliate offer. Well, maybe not a high chance, but there is a chance that they're going to go and buy it. And if you have your affiliate link attached to that offer, you get paid. It's pretty simple. So as you can see, ORB does all of the heavy lifting for you. It gets you the traffic for you, combined with my bonuses that I'm giving to you, specifically my done for you campaigns. Then you can just send the traffic from Instagram, from ORB, to one of these done for you campaigns and make money. It is pretty simple. So that's basically everything you get inside of the basic ORB package. Now I'm going to talk to you about the upsells, because there are upsells inside of this as well. So everything you get on the basic package is going to be $12.95. Now remember that little hack that I showed you on the sales page where you try to exit out and it will give you that pop-up. That will allow you to get this for $9.95, right? And you still get access to all the bonuses I mentioned to you at the beginning, which is pretty awesome considering the amount of value that I'm actually selling these ones for. It's over $250 worth of real value bonuses, not a $500 million bonus package like all of these other gurus are saying. This is actual real world value, and it's yours for free when you pick this up through my link. Upsell number one is going to be the pro version. This is going to be $27 with a downsell at $17, and that means that there's no limitations on the pro version. So with the basic version, you can probably only follow here restricted to 50 followers and messages per day, right? So that's one of the restrictions that you get with the basic version. If you want those restrictions lifted, then get the pro version for $27 with a downsell at 17, right? And you can follow as many people as you want. But a word of warning here, don't use your Instagram account. Don't use your main Instagram account for this, because there is a chance that it may get shut down. What you can do is you can come over to Google here and you can just type in buy aged Instagram accounts. Just do a Google search. You've got this one here, ACCS Markets. You can go and buy Instagram accounts here, and they have packages. Look at this, 43 pieces from 23 cents per piece. So for around $10, you can get 43 accounts. And I would use these accounts instead of your own account, just to safeguard your own account. Anyway, I'm kind of getting sidetracked. Upsell number two is the Hyper Target, and this is going to be $47 with a downsell at $27. And this allows you to laser target warm audience with additional functionality, finding the right audiences based on interest shown in the photo video. So it's basically going to find you the right people to follow. Okay, you can get that at the downsell price of $27. Upsell number 3 is the done for you, where these guys will set up all of your pages for you. It's going to be $47 with a downsell at $27. Upsell number 4 is going to be the resellers bundle. It's going to be $97 with a downsell at $67. And this will allow you to resell ORB as if it is your own product and keep 100% of every single one of these price points, which is pretty cool. Upsell number 5 is the exclusive training. This is going to be $197 with a downsell at $97. And for this, you get a one-on-one call with Jake or Sid or she, I don't know who this person is, for 1 hour, okay? And you can ask any questions that you want about ORB or about affiliate marketing. They will give you their full attention. So that is 100% worth it for $97. And then upsell number 6 is the exclusive training. This can be $297 with a downsell at $197. And this will allow you to turn ORB into your own product, completely customize it with your own logo and your own branding. So this is a white label license for you to take ORB as if it is your own product, and you can use their sales material. You can customize this as much as you like and resell it as if it is your own product, which is pretty cool. So that is basically all of the upsells right there. Go and check out the demo video. Okay, it is 51 seconds long, so it's not going to take up too much of your time. Also, don't forget to check out my bonuses that I put together for you customly for ORB. That is it from me. Thank you so much for watching my ORB review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.